Hi, it's Alicia from Lightico Life and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to do a bit of a small makeover on my buffet here. So what I'm actually going to do is, as you can see, we've got some white paper covering the doors. So I wanted to modernise it a little bit, and I was actually looking at getting some rattan to go in there, but the rattan's actually quite expensive, and I haven't been able to source any that would arrive as quickly as I wanted it to. So I managed to source something, and I'll just grab that to show you. I managed to find these placemats at Target, and they're just gorgeous. So they have the look that I'm going for, so I thought I would give it a go and pop them in there and see how we go. Let's get into the DIY. So first things first, I'm just going to measure the inside of the cupboard. Get a bit of a measure and mark up where we're going to cut. I'm not sure if you can see that, but because it's not real rattan, it's plastic, I can just give it a bit of a cut. So that's one done. I'm just going to cut the rest of them to size, and then I'll pop back when we're going to stick them in. Decided I'm just going to use double-sided tape to hold it on. So let's stick it on and see how it goes. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really happy with how the buffet turned out. It just goes to show a quick, easy hack can make all the difference. I think it's totally modernized this piece of furniture and made it fit more in with our decor. I'm actually thinking I might change out the knobs, but I'm not 100% sure on what color to go, whether to go a brushed silver or maybe a black. If you have any ideas, put a note in the comments down below. I'd be happy to hear them. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and scroll up and hit the notification bell, and to be notified each time we post a new video. So once again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me